Most businesses lose money because they only focus on getting new clients. But GoHighLevel makes it easy to build a retention system that keeps clients coming back again and again. Start by setting up automated check-in emails or SMS messages. The quick "how are things going" reminder goes a long way in showing clients you care. Create workflows that trigger special offers, exclusive content, or loyalty discounts after clients hit certain milestones. This builds trust and long-term value. Use surveys inside GoHighLevel to gather feedback at key points in the client's journey. This helps you improve services and reduce churn. Finally, keep nurturing with newsletters, even event invites, or personalized updates. GoHighLevel makes it automatic, so your clients feel connected without you chasing them. And that's how you create a client retention system in GoHighLevel. Simple automation that turns one-time customers into long-time partners. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.